G'day guys, Matt here from 4 Sessions Australia. I'm out here at the training ground. It's just out of Freeman's. I think they call it the ARB training ground for some reason. But I'm out here to show you that an iDrive is not just about performance. I know everyone gets one just to get that quicker throttle response. I actually don't use mine on the road. Mine's off 90% of the time. The only time I do use it is in situations out here. So let's go get ourselves in a bit of a pickle and let me show you what it's like using an iDrive in some of these situations. One thing I've been using a fair bit, obviously I've got myself in a little bit of a pickle here at the moment, it's going to put it in economy mode. Just lets you have that little bit more control and it seems to stop a bit of slipping. So let's see how we go. Well, there you have it guys, absolutely unreal. It wasn't going up with normal throttle. Swap the throttle over to economy mode and it just allows you to just be a little bit nicer, a little bit gentler on the throttle and just get that traction down and away it goes. So if you do have an iDrive, I highly recommend testing it out off-road because you will be surprised. I know I was. Anyway guys, I'm going to keep playing around out here and I'll bring you more videos, more I keep doing. Have a good one.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like